Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Emporio Armani quartz watch. As you can see, we have a chronograph Emporio Armani with the date complication here between 4 and 5 o'clock, and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date. Now, a very important thing when you want to set the time and date is that you first want to set the date one day prior to the actual date that you want to be set. And then you want to pull the crown all the way and go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock so that you see when the date changes. That way you are going to know whether you are AM or PM. So let's do that, guys. Let's say that I want to make it the 15th of the month, and I'm going to first set the date at the 14th. So I'm going to pull the crown to the first position. Now I'm going to rotate and I'm going to make the date the 14th. Once again, my end goal is to make it the 15th. Now I'm going to pull the crown all the way and I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock manually. And as you can see, at 12 o'clock the date changed and now we are on the 15th. So now if I go and let's say I want to make it 6 a.m. so 6 in the morning, I can leave the watch hands like this and push the crown all the way back in. Now if I want to make it PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again, and as you can see the date did not change, and now I can make it 6 p.m. On this particular model you have a sub-dial that also shows you the military time. So as you can see we have a 24-hour display dial right here, but on other chronograph watches you might not have this, and this is why you want to set the date one day prior. Now if I push the crown all the way back in, now I know that I am on the 15th and it is 6 p.m. so 6 in the afternoon. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your Emporio Armani quartz watch. This tutorial is going to work for other quartz watches as well, so make sure to use it. If you enjoyed this video, guys, if you found this information useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.